Welcome again. In grade 2, subject environmental study, and the lesson name is Animal Shelters Part 2. My dear students, today we are going to learn the lesson Animal Shelters, and in this lesson we will revise this point, shelters of wild and domestic animals. Today we are going to learn the new points, benefits of shelters to animals, zoos and national parks, animal shelters in different seasons, shelters of domestic animals and pets. These horses are living in the stable, and this stable is the man-made shelter. See this dog. Dog shelter is kennel, and this is also man-made shelter. Cow shade. All these cows are living in the cow shade. We build shelters for domestic animals like cows, horses. The pigs are living in the pigsty. Birds mostly live on trees. They build nests to lay eggs. Nests are made up of grass, twigs, leaves, threads, straw, and so on. Twigs are small broken branches and sticks. Pigeon find shelters in gaps in walls, sunshades of windows, and so on. Rats and rabbits live underground in fields. They dig holes and burrows in the soil to live. Rats can also be found near houses and public places. They can make holes in the walls and floors of houses made by mud. And we know that snakes do not build their shelters. They live in the holes and burrows made by other animals. We have seen that insects mostly use trees or soil as their shelters. Some of them build shelters for themselves. For example, ants build ant hills. We have seen honeybees in beehives. There are the colonies of bees. Frogs live in the moist places. They can live in water or on the ground or on trees also. Some frogs adapted for living underground also. Tigers and lions live in caves. Tigers like to live in mountain region where caves provide shelters from the heat. Monkeys live on trees. Some animals build shelters for themselves. Some of them find ready shelters to their surroundings. We build shelters for our domestic animals and pets. For example, dog lives in kennel. Shelters protect us from harsh weather. For example, rain, wind, hot sun, and very cold weather. My dear students, today we have learned these points. Shelters of wild and domestic animals. Benefits of shelters to animals. Tomorrow we will revise these points and we will learn the next point, zoos and national parks. I hope you like this video. Thank you and bye.